Definition of information system. Information system is an integrated set of components for collecting, storing, and processing data and for providing information knowledge. And digital products. Business firms and other organizations rely on information system to carry out and manage their operation, interact with their customer and supply and compete in the marketplace. Information systems are used to run inter-organizational supply chains and electronic markets. For instance, corporations use information systems to process a financial account, to manage their human resources, and to reach their potential customer with online promotion. Many major companies are built entirely around information system. Example like Shopee, eBay, and Amazon. Executive Support System. This type of IS was designed to help senior management support the business and make strategy decisions. It gathers, analyzes, and summarizes the key internal and external information to use in the everyday business. It supports an inventory for all present information assets, projected revenue figures based on their product sales expectation and reasonable sales figures between 1 week and the next. For example, a CEO may require overall sales for the company, along with the sales for every department separately and generally economic data for the year. Management Information System. MIS mostly concerned with internal source of information. This system usually take a data from the transaction processing system and summarize it into a series of management reports. MIS is an information system that generates exact, timely, and structured information so manager and other users can make decisions, resolve problems, supervise activities, and track progress. For example, compile data of call volume in a call center and call service level for every hour, every day, and monthly summary. Decision Support System. Decision Support System is an information system intended to help user reach a decision when a decision-making situation arises. This system comprises tools and techniques to help collect relevant information and analyze the choice and alternative. DSS usually involves use of complex spreadsheet and database to create models which will help determine difficult situation and its possible outcome. Knowledge Management System. Knowledge management system exists to help business create and share various information. These are typically used in industry where employees create a new knowledge and expertise, which can then be shared by other people in the organization to create additional commercial opportunities. Good examples include firms of lawyer, training-related business, accountants, and management consultants. Transaction Processing System. Transaction processing systems are designed to process repetitive transactions efficiently and accurately. A business will have many transaction processing systems, billing system to send invoice and statements to client system which calculate weekly or monthly payroll and tax payment stocks, to control system to route all transactions into, within, and out of the business production, and purchasing system to analyze and calculate all raw material requirements. Office Automation System. Office automation systems are systems that try to improve the efficiency of employees who need to process data and information. The best example is the wide range of software systems that exist to improve the productivity of employees function in an office works or system that allow personnel to work from home or while on the move. Another good example will be Salesforce system, which is ticketing system used to process IT information in the office and on the go.
Hardware. Hardware is the most obvious part of computer-based information system. Hardware refers to the computer themselves along with any and all peripherals, including servers, routers, monitors, printers, and storage devices. A CBIS may use a single computer or thousands. Software. Without software, the hardware wouldn't be very useful. Software, the second element of a CBIS, is what tells the hardware how to function. It gathers, organizes, and manipulates data and carries out instructions. Everything you do using a computer is done by the software. Data. Data or information is the third element of a CBIS. Just as a hardware cannot function without software, software cannot function without data. This is the information part of an information system, and whether this is statistical data, sets of instructions, list of names, or even graphics and animations, it's all key to a CBIS. Procedures. It is commonly said that procedures are the people what software is to hardware. The fourth element of CBIS, procedures are the rules, description, instruction for how things are done. In computer-based information system, procedures are frequently covered in instruction or user manual that describes how to use the hardware, software, and data. Pupil. Pupil are the most often overlooked and most important part of computer-based information system. It is people who design and operate the software, input the data, build the hardware and keep it running, write the procedures, and it is ultimately people who determine the success or failures of a CBIS. Communication. Communication is left out of some list of CBIS elements, but for CBIS that involves more than one piece of hardware to function, communication or connectivity is a necessity. This is in part because parts of it are covered under hardware. The components that allow one computer to communicate with another are hardware and are controlled by software. If communication between people is included in this element, though, it is an important element.
Definitions of Electronic Data Interchange (EDI). EDI is the computer-to-computer exchange of business documents in a standard electronic format between business partners, and a process which allows one company to send information to another company electronically rather than with paper. Business entities conducting business electronically are called trading partners because the key idea involved is the exchange of documents that allow a business application to take place without human intervention. Data processing is clearly necessary for application and process. Many business documents can be exchanged using EDI, but the two most common are purchase orders and invoices. At a minimum, EDI replaces the mail preparation and handling associated with traditional business communication. However, the real power of EDI is that it standardizes the information communicated in business documents, which make possible a paperless exchange. Standard format. Describe what each piece of information is and in what format. Without the standard format, each company will send documents using its company-specific format. Much as an English-speaking person probably doesn't understand Chinese, The receiver's computer system doesn't understand the company's specific format of the sender's format. Business documents. The common documents exchanged via EDI are purchase orders, invoices, and advance ship notices. But there are many others such as bill of lading, custom documents, inventory documents, shipping status documents, and payment documents. EDI can be deployed by installing software which will allow EDI information sent via VAN, Value Added Network, or point-to-point connection.
Protocols of EDI. The criticality of the document exchanged by EDI and the particular features of a model designed so that the internal IT system of both sender and receiver can be automatically integrated without any human intention make it necessary to develop secure communication platforms specially devised for these purposes. The main communication protocols and services in an EDI system are as follows. Number 1. WAN, Value Added Network. Number 2. AS1 and AS2, Applicability Statement. Number 3. OFTP2, Audit File Transfer Protocol. Number 4. SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol. Six benefits of EDI. First one is reduce inventory costs. Second is decrease errors. Third one is increase ROI. Next, enhance visibility. Number 5 is improve operational efficiency. Last one is increase accuracy.
Activities in order processing. Have you ever heard of order processing? Order processing. Definition. Order processing is the process or workflow associated with the picking, packing and delivery of the packed items to a shipping carrier and is a key element of order fulfillment. Here are 5 activities in order processing. Activity 1. Order preparation, requesting product or services. Activity 2. Order transmittal, transferring order information. Activity 3. Order entry, stock checking, credit checking, order cancelling, transcription, billing. Activity 4. Order status reporting, tracing and tracking, communicating with customers on order status. Activity 5. Order filling, product retrieval, production or purchase, packing for shipment, scheduling for delivery, shipping document preparation.